What's up, guys, and welcome back to the garage. We have here assistant, and this is from B20 engine. This is the cylinder head I sent to machine shop many not years, many weeks ago, but finally we got it. It has new guides, new valves. I will tell you the specs later, but next we will assemble the valves. We have already practiced with two first ones, and next we will put the third, and after that we will do the time lapse. Maestro, be my guest. We are using this cardboard as a protection for the valve. First the gasket there. Yes, perfect, thank you. And the spring and the hat. As you can notice that I don't know the right words for all the parts, but that's why I do videos, so you can see what I mean. The cover, I can hold the springs, yes. And the tool, I think I bought that tool 20 years ago from Biltema, but it still works. Like a dream. Yes, perfect. Yes, and you tighten it as much
as I want.
Yeah, no. Yeah, just a little bit more. I think that's perfect.
It's a bit tough with Vaseline on my fingers, so...
Yeah, and we are using the Vaseline a little bit to lock that part or pin, the locking mechanism to the valve like that. Perfect. It's like a glue, not much, but just to hold that part on the valve. Perfect. And now just loose the screw and magic happens. Perfect. Yes. Well done. Great, thank you. Now I will put the camera on the stand, and or actually I think I don't use the stand, I will use my hand, but I will put the music on. Now all the valves are assembled. Next we will measure the volume of the combustion chamber. If you have watched my earlier video, you can see the link above. I show there how I calculated the compression ratio. And now my plan is to measure this combustion chamber, so then we will know what compression ratio we will get. In the machine shop, they took they took 1 millimeter away from the surface. I think it's not enough, but we will see. I also asked them to plane this surface, but they didn't do that either. So I think this is not as low as I wanted, but it is what it is. I'm using this paraffin oil and this kind of equipment. This is not the best. This is not for sure the most accurate method, but it will give me some idea about the volume. We will put the grease in between the glass, or this is actually thick plastic, and then we will start putting the oil in, and then we will finally figure out the volume. Math done, thank you very much. So compression ratio, like I told you, I have done the video of that how I calculate the compression ratio, but there's a quickie. I need the swept volume, cylinder diameter, and it's that one, and we are using the same numbers here. And then the clearance volume, which is combustion chamber plus piston plus gasket plus deck clearance. And now we have new combustion chamber volume, and the compression ratio is the swept volume plus clearance volume divided the clearance volume. And here's the calculation and the result. This is not quite accurate because we don't really know what's the accurate volume of the combustion chamber, but this is about, which is nice. And I told you earlier in this video that they don't know what they are doing in the machine shop, but they really are, because now we have a compression ratio about 10, what was the target, and now we have a nice cylinder head with the ported exhaust, and I just smoothened these intakes, but as you can see, the bump is gone. There's only the valve and the guide there. So now the exhaust fumes can get out easily. And I have here, this is the document from the machine shop, that the intake valves are original, 46 millimeters, and the exhaust valves are 37, which are a little bit bigger than the stock ones. And as you can see, I have shaped the combustion chamber a little bit, so it will be very interesting to see how much horsepower we will get out of the new engine, which is coming to this 140/45, and the engine block is over here, just waiting for the new cylinder head. And we have a new cam and new crankshaft bearings and all the gaskets. So that's nice. And in next video I will assemble this head to the block, and after that I don't know yet, but I hope in this winter I can assemble the whole engine to this 145. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time to do that. And remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.